Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to enable or turn on comments on your YouTube channel. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to enable or turn on the comments on your YouTube channel, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and let's go to YouTube by clicking on the search bar and type in youtube.com like this and hit enter. And after landing on this page, you can see I have already logged into my YouTube account, which is this one. Similarly, you'll be also required to first log into your Gmail account, which is authenticated to your YouTube account. And after that, let's open up another tab and let's go to studio.youtube.com like this and hit enter, and let's let the page load. And this page will open your studio of your YouTube, from which you can integrate your channels. And to do that, now to enable your comments from over here, which is the interface of studio, you can see the settings option available over here on the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the channel option available over here just below the general. Click on channel, and after that there is the advanced settings available over here just beside the info. And now to enable all of your comments on your YouTube channel, just simply click on no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload the content that made for kids, and click on save on the bottom right corner of this dialog box, and comments will be enabled or turned on your contents. And if you want to do it on your solo contents and not all of them, click on contents over here on the left side panel of your screen just below your profile picture icon, and choose whichever content you want to enable the comments of. Click on the details and like this, and over here scroll down, and over here you can see the yes, it's made for kids, and the no, it's not made for kids. And if you click on the yes, and if you click on yes, it's made for kids, then your comments will be disabled. And if you click on no, it's not made for kids like this, then the comments on your YouTube contents on your channel will be enabled or turned on. And guys, this is how you enable or turn on your comments on your YouTube channel. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.